Greetings everyone, welcome to African Dishes with Blessing. Today we are making fresh corn and beans porridge. Fresh corn and beans porridge. And today's ingredients, we have fresh corn. You know, some of you don't know that this goes so good together. Fresh corn and beans porridge. And we have beans. Today we are using brown beans. You can use your white beans as well. We have brown beans. We have smoked fish. You can use your dried fish, ice fish, but today I'm using smoked fish. We have our fresh pepper. We have onions. We have grinded crayfish. We have palm oil. We have seasoning cubes and salt. Let's begin with the making. First, we need to boil your corn. Boil your corn till it gets very soft. Boil the fresh corn till it's soft. When it's softened, bring it out from the water to cool. Allow it to cool off. While our corn is cooling, let's parboil our beans. Parboil your beans properly to avoid stomach upset. Parboil and wash off with clean water. Let's keep the parboiled beans aside and peel the fresh corn. Remember, we boiled this corn till it becomes very soft. Now time to add the parboiled beans and the peeled corn all together and boil until they become very soft. Now the corn and beans have been cooked very soft. Time to add your onions, your smoked fish, seasoning cubes and salt. Cover up to heat for some minutes. Add your fresh pepper, your crayfish. Cover up to heat for a few minutes. Before adding your palm oil. Time to add the palm oil. Add your palm oil and turn very thoroughly. Add your palm oil and turn very thoroughly. Make sure you check for your salt and seasoning cubes and make sure they balance very well. Now cover up to heat for some minutes. And guys, our beans and fresh corn porridge is ready. Why not make this for your kids this weekend? Trust me, your family is going to love this recipe. Fresh corn and beans porridge. The taste is everything. Please subscribe to our channel. You're going to learn a lot here. Subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell to enable you get notification whenever we make a post. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you guys for cooking with Blessing today. Bye.